Welcome to Spicy Sweet and Me. Today I'm going to show you how to make spicy fries. This is one of my favorites when I go to restaurants, and so I wanted to show you a quick way to make it at home. So what are you going to need? You're going to need a tablespoon of oil. You're going to need half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon sugar, quarter teaspoon salt, and a quarter teaspoon or just slightly less of the garlic. You're going to have 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and about 5 tablespoons of ketchup. I do have a plate of fries already ready here. So what do I want to show you? You basically just want to mix all of these ingredients together. And you're going to cook it on medium heat. So what I'm going to do while I'm doing that is I'm just going to turn on my frying pan here. And then I'm just going to add all of these ingredients. You can, if you don't like too much garlic, you can put less, but it does give it a really nice flavor. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fry this mixture on the frying pan just for a couple of minutes, and you're gonna add the fries. The key here is not to overcook the fries, otherwise they will become soggy. So you don't want to overdo it, but you're just gonna toss the fries in it, and this is what it's going to look like. So we're on medium heat. We're just going to fry this up a little bit, and I'm actually serving this today with lamb chops. You can serve it with chicken if you're making steak. If you'd like a little bit of spunk to your fries, this is a great way to add a bit of flavor to boring fries. So now that it's frying up, I'm just going to lower the heat a little bit, as you can probably hear. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to add the fries to this mixture, and we're going to toss it very, very quickly. I may have a little bit too much in fries, but that's okay. So what we'll do is we're gonna toss it up like this. So you just want to coat them, right? And I am going to add the rest of them. Now I usually put some paper towels after I fry the eggs. You can actually make the fries in the oven, but I just find they're not as crispy enough. So that's why I actually fried them in a shallow pan of oil. And as you can see, they're just getting coated. That's all you want. You can lessen the chili powder if you don't want them too spicy. But, you know, that's just depending on your taste. And so here you go. We have now created spicy fries, and I'm just going to put them on a plate so you can see them. And like I said, you just want to coat them really quickly. You don't want to fry them for too long. And there you have spicy French fries. I'll see you in the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the video. I appreciate your help and support. I will see you in my next video. Remember to click subscribe. Bye for now.